Sweet soup. A main dish from Cambodia. Serves 2. You will need 8 ingredients. Step 1. Bring about 3 to 4 cups of water to a roaring boil. Add enough soy sauce to make a dark brown color. Continue to add a couple dashes of pepper, a dash of salt and sugar until sweet. Also add enough fish sauce to taste, and some soy sauce. You should be smelling a very beautiful smell. The soup should taste sweet, but not so sweet you can taste the tinge of fish sauce you added. Add the boiled eggs to the soup. Let boil for about 15 minutes, then add the bamboo slices to soup and let boil on medium for about 30 minutes. You should notice that the eggs are taking up a shiny, delectable brown color. The soup should smell slightly different. Step 4. When eggs are a nice brown color, the soup is ready to serve. Step 5. It is strongly recommended that you let the soup simmer on low heat for about 2 to 3 hours. The eggs and pork will absorb the flavor better. The soup will taste sweeter and tastier because of the water that has evaporated. Step 6. Serve with a plate of hot steamy rice. Use ladle to cover rice with soup sauce. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.